Hi guys, it's Bella here today. I'm just on a different account, my other account. I just figured out that it was made 2016, but that's not that because I haven't used it in a while, so I forgot about it. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. It's about how to make a morph without any glitches or anything, or because all the other type of morphs like hair morphs or other morphs, like if you try to go on it, it's like, why isn't this working? So I'll show you why. I'll show you how. Okay, so you go to develop and just manage stupid. Anyway, you go to a morph kit YouTube, or I forgot what it's called, but it's a morph kit for YouTube tutorial. Yes. So you have to get this item by oof 246810112. I mean 2. Anyway, so just go to once you've done that, go to my models, and then you'll see it right there. So it's kind of really cool. It's a cool thing that really works. I'll just call it Lel. Anyway, so now you have to click that arrow. You see body colors? You could choose whatever color you want. Like, uh, I'll just I'll just pick one from over here. Um, mm, I can't get the one that I really want. There it is. Alright, now just copy this item. Keep on pasting it. You could do whatever color you want. It's your color. What the fuck? Alright, there we go. And now the torso. Okay, alright, so we got the skin color. Now for pants, it will be like, how do we make these pants? LOL. So you just go to the catalog, and right now you go to pants. You could pick whatever. I'm gonna make her a little goth, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna make her goth, kind of gothic. Alright, so okay, so we'll just okay, so right here you're gonna have to copy the ID, and then go back right here, and now you're going to paste it right at the end right there. Alright, and then you'll see it appear. See? And now we're gonna wait. Okay, so if you want a shirt now, I don't really want the top, so I'm just gonna go to shirts, gothic. What was that new one? It doesn't matter, but I'll just you could just copy and paste it, whatever. I'm just gonna keep it like that. And now you'll be like, how do we get a hair in a face? Well, a face, I'll just do goth. You could do whatever face. Goth face. I have no idea. What was that other one? Ugh. Yeah, I'll just go to makeup faces. I don't really have any good ones right here. Oh, I guess this one could work. Yeah. It looks gothic. Anyway, now, for the hair, it has to be like, okay, so, hair, we'll just go to hair. Black hair. You could choose whatever, but, anyway, so you guys may be like, How are we gonna get this hair on there? And I'll show you. Okay, so you know, you see other type of hairs like that and stuff, and it has that type of part or mesh part. You don't want that. It has to be a type of, it has to be a hattish hair that has that hat thing. It has to, believe me. Okay, so now we just get this. We put this hat in the LEL, and then look, it's right there. So you just have to put it together now because it's now there, the hair thing or whatever. Now let's go test it out. Wait. If you guys want the hair too, we're gonna probably have to do a remove hat or thingy, hat remover. Yeah. Um. Uh. All right. So we're gonna remove the hat. She's so ugly. We're gonna make her pretty now. Let it work. It's magic. You see that? See that, boy? Now I am so pretty. My person is so pretty now. Okay, so that's kind of how we do a good working morph. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.